Hello folks, a very warm welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about exception handling. Exception is a error which occurs due to unexpected events during our script execution. Simply, we can say exception is a runtime error. Because of this runtime error, our script execution will be stopped. So, in order to execute this script without any interruption, so if you want to execute a script smoothly, we should handle these exceptions. Okay, let's take a look at this example. You will get more context. Okay, so just assume we did not implement any exception handling in our code. There is a requirement to execute 10 test cases. Okay, this test one has been executed. Second test is executed. Three also executed. During test four execution, it got failed due to object is disabled. Suppose our script is trying to click on one object button, but it is in disabled state. So obviously it won't click, right? So due to this error, the script will be failed and it will be stopped here itself. It won't execute with rest of the test cases. But it should not be like that. Okay, our script will be robust. So it should have some smart mechanism. So whenever the script is failed, it should log the error. Okay, and it should continue with rest of the test cases till the end of the test case. Okay, whatever the test case, okay, 10 test cases. It should execute all the test cases. So to achieve this, we should handle the exceptions. Okay, Java is having two types of exceptions. Okay, compile time exceptions and runtime exceptions. Okay, here this is also in generally checked and unchecked exceptions. People will also call it as checked and unchecked exceptions. This is the compile time exception. Compile time exceptions means the exception which is occurred at compile time. So before execution only, at the time of compile time only, it will happen. Okay, we should handle these exceptions. It is must. Okay, actually compile time exceptions are not real exceptions, we can say. These are the warnings. Like, okay, it will tell us, compiler tell us, okay, there is a possibility of happening exceptions. That is warning. We should handle these exceptions. Okay, at the time of compilation only. If you take the example, class not found, IO exception, file not found exception. These are the examples for compile time exceptions. Okay, let's see. Practically, we will see. You will get more context about this one. Okay, next runtime exceptions. Runtime exceptions means the exceptions which are occurred at runtime, known as runtime exceptions. Okay, we should handle these exceptions at runtime. If you take the example, arithmetic exceptions, array index out of bound exception, null pointer exception. These are the examples for runtime exceptions. So how can we handle these exceptions means Java is providing different methods: throw, try, catch, finally, and throw. Okay, we will see one by one how to handle this one. Now, what is the solution means? How to overcome the situation using the try catch. Okay, by using try catch, we can handle the compile time as well as runtime exceptions. Let's see how to handle. Now it's not required action. Okay, let's execute one more time. You can see the difference. Please observe carefully. Yeah, so the controller jump into the catch block. What is happening means whenever the exception is raised, immediately the try block will be captured that exception and throws into the catch block. Okay, catch block receives the exception message from the try block and it reports here. Okay, see the system cannot find the file specified. Okay, it logs the issue here and it will continue with the next method, right? This is what we are expecting. Okay, it should not stop. Yeah, now it's been executed. Okay, test message after exception. It's executed. Okay, the program is terminated normally without any issue. So in this way, we can handle the exception. It is very, very important. Okay. While developing framework and our test methods, we need to implement the exception handling mechanism in each test. Okay. Just remember that point. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.